As the stump period for the midterm elections comes to a close, the House Speaker and the Tingog party list vowed full support for the administration's Senate candidates on the eve of their meeting the Avance in Mandaluyong City. PTV senior correspondent Mela Lismoros talked with a number of House lawmakers, and we have her on the phone to get us up to speed on developments. Mela?
Princess Lakas CMD President and House Speaker Martin Romualdez, together with Tingog party list, vowed to deliver Eastern Visayas full support behind the Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas senatorial slate of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. During today's massive unity rally in Eastern Visayas, Speaker Romualdez assured a coming together on May 12 for a straight win for the administration candidates. This includes Senators Francis Tolentino, Lito Lapid, Bong Revilla, and Pia Cayetano, former Senators Tito Soto, Ping Lacson, and Manny Pacquiao, Makati City Mayor Abby Binay, former DILG Secretary Benher Abalos, and Congressman Erwin Tulfo and Camille Villar. Tulfo, Abalos, and Tolentino personally graced the unity rally. Speaker Romualdez said he talked to the President about this event, and the Chief Executive thanked them for all the support. At this point, let's hear part of my interview with the lawmakers.
Okay, siyempre naman, sinabi ko naman, nandito tayo at andito yung mga ibang mga senatorials at yung mga representante nila. At alam mo naman, si Presidente, hindi lang Ilocano, kalahati yan, Waray. Kaya siyempre, magpapasalamat talaga siya pag na-deliver natin yung talagang yung na straight natin yung alyansa.
Speaker, are you confident yung 11 papasok sa eleksyon?
I'm hoping for it, but we're going to do everything we can.
Sa akin, pag tayo po ipinalad sa Senado na magtatrabaho po tayo, hindi lang po ako magiging mambabatas na nasa Senado, iikutin ko po ang Pilipinas para marinig po yung mga problema ng kababayan natin.
I think it's not just a show of force. It's our way of expressing our support for the President. Very strong to support for someone we consider our own. Hindi ho namin pwedeng pabayaan ng Pangulo sa pagtutulak po ng kanyang agenda para sa ikakabuti ng ating bayan. Asahan po ng Pangulo at ng kanyang slate ang suporta po ng Region 8.
Princess, tomorrow the Alyansa will hold their meeting the Avance in Mandaluyong City. And that's the latest from Tacloban City. Princess?
Many thanks, Mela Lismoros.